cocksamich.
Yeah.
Hey, you know,
We're not
like and
synced
subscribe.
yet.
Yeah.
Well, I guess that's it, boys. Fucking cheeching. What's up, Fred Cocksamich? Yeah, right. Well, we were going to take the buggy out. That didn't work out because, as you can see, it's fucking raining. So we figured we'd take the Pathfinder, grab some munchies and something to drink, go to the lake, fuck around, see what kind of trouble we can get. Holy fuck! See what kind of trouble we can get in. I can't even see the fucking road here. I got to shut this off. Alright, so I'll fucking turn the video back on when we get out in the desert. Getting some fuel at the fuel stop for fuels and fuely things. Maybe we'll go to the fucking Denny's over there. I forgot there's a Denny's right there. That place looks fucking bomb. I'm down. Get some moons over your hammy. Suppose I should get some waters. Good. Is it on? Is it on yet? Yeah. Here, grab us some fuels. Grab a couple of waters and
cotton candy bang.
Big waters and put the rest in fuel.
Alright, I'm getting my bang now.
Waters and the rest on pump 4. Well, we'll get some good old 87 and we're gonna go out to Lake Pleasant, fuck around in the Pathfinder because it's fucking wet, rainy, and I don't want to get stuck in the rain in the sand rail. It looks like the rain's pretty much stopped, but you know, it might start back up or whatever. It's just such a gorgeous night. I don't want to sit at home and play Call of Duty, which is pretty fun right now, but yeah, so if we run into anything interesting out there, we'll fucking tear it up. I think there's a Denny's on the other side of this gas station, which I might go there and get something good to eat before I go out. Get all fat and happy, and hopefully get some ammo and fart all over Josh while we're out there. But I'll check back in with you then. Getting dragged off.
What happened?
That was a good boat at one time.
What'd they do?
I don't know. Looks like
dump it?
Yeah, I think they abandoned it. Drug it around for a while.
Well, there's a boat. If anybody needs a boat, we got a boat.
Crazy.
On the side of a road.
Wow.
Random boat is random.
crazy. Well, it seems to be a bunch of people leaving in a hurry. I wonder why. That was my fault.
Yep.
The old pussfinder.
I was staring right at it the whole time too.
That was fucking awesome.
Oh yeah. We'll just watch the wheel.
That was a sick burning. Both wheels burning. Let's see. Is this it?
Burning.
I think this is it.
Shit.
What's it say? Are we not allowed now?
No off-roading, no staging areas of the north.
What does it say? It needs to go through here all the fuck off.
Shit.
Maybe they mean go off of this road.
We're crawling here. Oh, that looks crazy.
Two-wheel drive life.
Oh shit.
Something a little different. Oh yeah.
A little smelly. What's that smell?
Tire.
Oh yeah, it is. Oh shit. Wow. Poor pussfinder.
Shit, that was its natural habitat right there. Fucking ashtray came out.
I think everything came out. Saw a set of eyes out there. I wonder what
Yeah.
that was. Yeah. Oh shit. Fucking Jeeps. Jeeps. This old Nissan's doing just fine out here.
Yeep's doing yeep things. Oh,
Shit.
fuck, man. A little rougher than I remember
Yeah.
2 years ago. Good thing I ate that big old fucking meal.
I'm glad I got the omelet. horsepower?
105. I seriously think it's like 125.
Now with these giant tires. Park boundary. No trespassing.
Come out here for years.
Don't really have an issue with snakes out here because they generally warn you. You're gonna hear them.
Yeah, sometimes I almost stepped on one, dude.
Fuck that.
We took a boat out to one of these islands,
Yeah.
and the water had just come up recently. So we went out to one of the fucking islands, and I parked the boat. We were gonna camp there. I went to step off the boat, and there was a fucking rattlesnake all coiled up.
Yeah.
And then I got back in the boat. I shined the light on the fucking island, and it was just full of fucking rattlesnakes, man.
Fuck yeah.
Everywhere. They
Yeah.
got stranded.
Small cliff. Jeez. I feel like we were hanging there.
Going down.
Oh shit.
Coyote.
Oh yeah. Run, Coyote, run. Crazy looking. Oh shit, what's up
Donkeys
there?
over there.
Whole bunch. Wow. There's a fucking army of asses.
Fuck ton of ass.
Ass and coyotes everywhere. Dude, let's,
Do it out the window.
yeah. Let's go hang out with the donkeys. Nah, I just want to see them. Yeah, it does. Ass.
Alright, so I figured I'd throw this in there in case anybody has a Pathfinder. I was getting bad gas mileage, so I was like, fuck, I'll change plugs. Probably never been changed. Well, they never been changed, like ever. That's 200,000 mile plug right there, NGK. I mean, they're burning okay, but you know, they're fucked. I don't know if you can even see it. Let's go out here. See that bitch? Just fucking nasty. Now there's a number 6 plug in here. And that motherfucker, you might be able to see it. I can't. I haven't placed my eyes on it, tried a mirror and all kinds of shit, but it's back there. And you can see they put a little cutout in the firewall there. So, I don't know, maybe get a ratchet in there, fucking, I don't know, but none of it's working for me. So, I figure out how to get that out. I'll show the tool that I ended up using or whatever, and God only knows how I'm gonna get it back in there, but after the run last night, I saw that it was really sucking gas. I found a broken vacuum line back there, which is probably the cause. So I'll get that put on and fix plug, put that on, and see how the week goes. Maybe I can save $10 a week or something crazy. But let me get to it and I'll show you what happened. So here's number 6. I don't know if you can see her, but it doesn't look any worse than the first one, which isn't good. I think these are NGKs. They're green anyway. No, there's something else. Bosch. But that's how old they are. They're green Bosch plugs. So, yeah, that was a bitch. I used 2 extensions and a socket. I mean, not anything major. Short one and a long one. Like your mom. Yeah, let me pull the rest of them out. The rest of them look pretty easy. Actually, I'm going to put the new one back in number 6 because that's a bitch. So I'm going to do that one first, and then I'll replace all the other ones. Alright, so the gap on these biatches is 0.032. And I got my handy dandy 5/8 peanut plug. It holds spark plugs, got a little piece of rubber in there like your mom. And I'm gonna try to fish it back down in there and see if I have any luck. I would record it, but you guys don't want to see me throwing wrenches and kicking shit and cussing and screaming at the Lord. So I'll get back with you in a minute, let you know how it went. Alright, well that was balls, and it only took about an hour extra over and above regular fucking plug job, but I replaced a couple vacuum lines. The plug wires all look good, even though they probably do have 100, 200 and something thousand fucking miles. They're factory. Those are factory. But we got new plugs in there, and you know, I broke this, so I did the right thing and I zip tied it. It'll stay. That's factory stuff. You don't believe me? There you go. Fucking zipper tie, factory. That's factory. Sexy beast. Let's see if she fires after I fucked with her. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Maybe I'll get some fuel mileage out of this bitch. Damn, sounds better. It's like responsive now. Let's put her in the ketchup. Man, there used to be like a ticking. I don't hear it ticking anymore. I know that doesn't have anything to fucking do with it, but I don't know where that went. Oh, there it is. Right there. You hear that? That's the heartbeat of a soldier. So this is all done. I figured I'd let you guys know that that was a bitch. I actually had to use a swivel extension thing to put it back in, because I felt like I was going to break the plug, and nobody likes to break fucking plugs. But yeah, we're rocking now. Oh, 2 vacuum lines back there were fucked. They're good now. I've already replaced a bunch over here. I think that's about it for vacuum lines. I'm pretty sure I got them all. Fucking thing's old as God. Yeah, my neighborhood fucking loves me. Alright, well, we should ought to put this away before the cops come. And I'll go edit up this video, put a little bit of what we did last night in there. And hell yeah, brother. See you soon.